Tag Heuer has just dropped the ultimate racing tribute, the Formula One Chronograph X Senna, a bold, titanium chronograph inspired by one of the greatest drivers in history, Ayrton Senna. This 2025 release takes the Formula One line to an entirely new level of precision, design, and emotional connection. Built for speed and endurance, this watch is housed in a 44mm sandblasted Grade 2 titanium case, treated in full black DLC. It's tough, lightweight, and water-resistant to 200 meters. Pure performance engineering. The forged carbon tachymeter bezel is a highlight, floating above a yellow separation ring that adds visual energy and depth. At 12 o'clock, Senna's signature S is engraved proudly, reminding us who this watch honors. Even the pushers and notched crown get a DLC coating for durability, and those yellow accents around the crown tie everything back to Senna's racing colors. The black and yellow that became his signature, and on the back, Senna's eyes. That iconic gaze behind his visor, laser engraved into titanium. A subtle but powerful tribute to the man's unbreakable focus. The dial keeps that racing spirit alive, bold, legible, and technical. The black sunray finish catches the light just right, while the tri-compact's layout gives you all the information you need at a glance. At 12 o'clock, a yellow hand marks the 30-minute counter. Down at 6, you'll spot the 12-hour counter dressed in Brazil's national colors, blue, green, and yellow. A direct nod to Senna's roots. And at 9 o'clock, the running seconds are signed with that signature S. A beveled date window sits neatly at 3, and the yellow lacquered central chronograph hand ties the entire design together. Sporty, but never flashy. Inside beats Tag Heuer's caliber 16 automatic chronograph, a Sellita SW510 based on the legendary Valjoux 7750. It runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 42-hour power reserve, and it's built for reliability and easy service, just like any great racing machine. This Senna edition comes on a bold yellow rubber strap. Soft, durable, and pure motorsport attitude. It's secured with a black DLC pin buckle, completing that black and yellow race-ready look. Available now at 5,550 Swiss francs, this is more than a timepiece. It's a statement, a blend of endurance, speed, and legacy, crafted for those who still believe in the spirit of Ayrton Senna. Tag Heuer Formula One X Senna, born on the track, built for the legend.